we encourage research. We want to build that culture of research among our medical students. And you can take it in a formal sense, like you can take a year off to do an honours. At Uni Adelaide's usually after fourth year, or you could do it in a co-curricular sense, so not formal in other words, but you, like many of you probably are undertaking already, some work in your own time. Match up with Brandon, do a project in your own time, etc. It's not towards any sort of formal program or degree. Now, at the medical school in Adelaide, we're very conscious, however, of what a load you guys already have. And so here are the kind of things, and Ben and I and a few others, we're working on a policy for Uni Adelaide students about this. But firstly, if you're doing co-curricular research, you can't compromise your primary studies. Secondly, you need to have good supervision. A Brandon or Josh, for example, strong sort of supervisor group. As Josh said before, you need realistic and deliverable goals. So if you're doing a co-curricular piece of research, clinical trials probably beyond more than you can probably chew, yeah? Small, circumscribed, deliverable. And you want some a priori agreement about what the benefits are to you and your partners. You don't want to argue about who's going to be the first author on a paper after all the work is done. Is that all right? So keep that in mind. Ask your supervisor, can I be the first author on this paper? And if not, find out where you would be, etc., and have some expectations of what the benefits are to you. The benefits of research, as you guys know, is to acquire some skills, is to make some connections, obviously, and obviously to promote, your cognitive development. And that brings me to the last point. Focus on skills, not on knowledge. Knowledge is cheap, evolves all the time. You can get knowledge fairly quickly, fairly easily, but it's skills that hold you in good stead for the rest of your career, all right? Whether that's skills in designing a study, writing a paper, writing a research grant, or doing some data analysis, whatever that actually is, skills are what's important.